I let myself think I was popping, so I'm making a studio vlog. Who does she think she is? That. All right, I'm done. Let me get started. All right, Shia Mama. Okay, that's cool. Feeling shy today? Hi, Mama. This is technically my workspace, but you've adopted it as your space. So we can stick with that for now. She finally sat before getting her bowl without having to be told. And it just feels excellent to finally be the head woman in charge in this house. 'Cause I've been tired. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this more than I thought I did. Okay. She's kind of cute. On to what I was doing. So, if you watched my last video, I decided to try painting by hand a design or a comic book cover on the back of a denim vest that I had lying around. But naturally, I was a little scared. So before I started that, I wanted to try on these pair of pants, like the back pockets of these pants that I didn't really mind messing up. So that's what I'm doing now. This is the same day as all that. So does that make sense? You follow? All right. So I'm warming up on the pocket of these other jeans I have lying around that I've been meaning to do something with. And I'm just gonna, paint a part of my own mural, the sun. I'll add a reference right here. But they have this, I forgot jeans do this, the stitching or whatever. So I was like, I'm just gonna turn it into some mountains, I guess. So that's what we're working with now. This is interesting. I'm with it. So eventually I did finish these, just not on the same night. So here are a couple of photos of how they turned out. And yeah, I thought they ended up looking kind of cute. On to the next portion.
up in boom, boom, bosh, boom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't I ding dong, plans would come true. Ain't I ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Ain't I ding dong, a lang, boom, oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, boom, bosh, boom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Ain't a ding dong, a lang, boom, oh, ain't a ding dong, a lang, boom, oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, boom, bosh, boom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream.
Okay, so it's definitely a different day. Different makeup, different fit, etc. I did not finish yesterday, but that's totes okay. That is a-okay. It's fine. I was supposed to have today, but I just ran out of time. Like, my mom was here, and I was, I had my little setup in my room, but she had to stay in my room and she had her stuff everywhere, and it just made it hard for me to continue. So I just did other stuff throughout the day. But so that I feel productive today and not feel like I wasted my Saturday, when I get back, I'm probably just gonna do like a quick outfit of the day drawing, just because, I don't know, I just feel like sometimes I put together fits that, like, not necessarily are like extra special or anything, but are just really cute to me and make me feel good. And I just like to record that just in case I don't get a good enough picture. It's just another way for me to practice illustrations as well. So we're gonna do this baby right here. I should probably take that. I'm gonna take the jacket off because that's so you can kind of see. Yeah, I need to wash clothes, so I don't have pants to wear that are adequate for this weather. But it's fine. I'll, shake it off or drink it off. But yeah, this is what we're working with here. Just hitting them real quick with the black Nikes because I don't know. I feel like heels would be doing the most for this. I just kind of want to make it cute, comfortable. So, oh yeah, that's what we're working with here today. All right, I gotta go and walk my dog and dip, so I'm not the late one this time.
Up in boom, boom, bosh, boom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't I ding dong, plans would come true. Ain't I ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Ain't I ding dong, a lang, boom, oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom.
Good evening to everybody, except for those that seem to, for some reason, think The Year 3000 is the Jonas Brothers' best song. I don't know. Today, I'm doing all kinds of stuff. I'm just trying to play catch up before the next week starts. So let's see how that goes. Ugh. So here's my actual workspace, all organized, relatively, and ready for work to be made. And here's where I've actually been doing work because it's in front of the TV. Okay, so a few minutes ago I took a few photos for some items that I'm selling to update my shop on Depop. So I'm about to go ahead and take those photos and upload them onto my computer. And yeah, not really too much to them besides just doing any necessary edits and changes to dimension and etc. and sending them to my phone so I can upload them on Depop and Instagram. I'm looking to sell the some test prints I had made of I had made of Sunday and Communion. In addition to the Solange inspired painting I did for a sip and paint this past December with my friends. So this is the one I did in the actual event, and this is the one I did as like when I was, planning the composition. So I'm gonna clean these two up a little bit and sell those as well. That's the version of Chaz I'm trying to get together this particular evening. For the end of the week, I also need to, I'm doing another sip and paint type thing for my aunt's birthday in a week. So I have to get outlines and materials ready for that. And I also want to try to finish a couple of paintings that I've been sitting idle for the past week. Okay, so here I am, up bright and not at all early. And I forgot that life gets in the way, so I have to go run some errands to get some stuff for this baby cakes and some food, some fried rice. So hopefully I can get back in decent time since I woke up so late and still get a decent amount of work done. So I don't know, this is kind of like the last day that I want to put on the vlog and kind of have like a benchmark for what I want to complete. So let's see how that goes.
Ask someone in a hotel.
Jeez, it is raining outside. Why are all you people at home? I know y'all don't want to be out here. Why are all these people in my way? Okay. Oh my god, okay.
Up in boom 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think down plans would come true. And I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. And I think down boom boom. Oh, life. And I think down if I could take you up in boom boom boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think down plans would come true. And I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. And I think down oh, and I think down you up in boom 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream.
The bottom is still wet, so I'm going to do the top. But so basically what I've been working on for like the past hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, I think it was just an hour and a half, is this sort of draft of a, what's the word, not a default, prototype, whatever, for future hopeful paint and sip events I hope to host. I have like 3 to 4 more designs kind of sketched out that I want to make paintings or compositions that I want to offer for paint and sip events. So this is one that I probably market towards a younger demographic, like the preteen, like I don't know, 7 to 13, that age group. I don't know, I feel like it would be a good move to do like birthday parties and things like that. So I'm just coming up with ideas for different compositions I want to help other people paint. Typically, like in some of the other paintings, my style isn't necessarily super unrealistic, but it's not necessarily, I don't necessarily have a very minimal style either. So like the goal of these are to kind of make interesting compositions that I think people would want to make or hang up themselves or learn how to create. but simplifying them enough so they can be done in like an hour and a half by the average person. So I don't know, this is kind of fun to be able to do that. So yeah, I don't know, she's at like, I would say like 70%. Yeah, she's at 70% because it's not that, the bubbles and stuff. She'll be cute though, she'll be cute. What else do I have to do? It is 11:36. I really want to work on her, this lady behind me before I go to bed. Even if it's just a single flower petal, I just want to make some sort of progress. Yikes. Okay. Okay. Speaking of which, this painting right here is really a second rendition of one I've already done. This drawing's like one of the first I have on my website, entitled Floss. This is sad that I don't know how to pronounce something that I actually made, but her. So she's probably just going to have the same title, just like part 2 or volume 2 or something of that nature. Yeah, so a lot of the same characteristics as far as the tree branches / antlers and the floral crown. And it's really not a crown, it's actually coming from her head, from her actual cranium. But, and the hairstyle just a little bit more exaggerated and fleshed out. So that's what I'm doing here.
You up in boom boom bosh, boom boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream.
Thanks a ton for watching. Make sure to check me out at cvandotti on both Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks.